Students, in this question we have to find the chord of curvature through the pole of the chordad r is equal to a1 plus cos theta. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर गिवन कर्व की इक्वेशन है r is equal to a times 1 plus cos theta. This is the equation of chordoid and we have to find the chord of curvature through the pole. We know that formula for the chord of curvature through the pole is 2 rho sin phi. So first we find out phi and rho and apply the formula and get chord of curvature through the pole. So first we differentiate this equation of the curve with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So we write here operator d by d theta both sides. So d by d theta of r is equal to a and d by d theta of 1 plus d by d theta of cos theta. We know that 1 is the constant, so differentiation of 1 with respect to theta is 0 and differentiation of cos theta with respect to theta, this is minus sin theta, so we get here minus a sin theta is equal to dr by d theta. Now we know the relation tan phi is equal to r d theta upon dr. So we put here value of r and d theta by dr. So we get here tan phi is equal to r is the given curve, that is a1 plus cos theta, and d theta by dr is the reciprocal of dr by d theta. So this is minus 1 upon a sin theta. So from the numerator and denominator this a is cancelled out and we know that 1 plus cos theta, this is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 and this sin theta can be written as minus sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So we can see here from the numerator and denominator this 2 is cancelled out and this is square cancelled by cos theta by 2. So minus cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2, this is minus cot theta by 2 is equal to tan phi. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर गिवन कर्व r इक्वल टू a 1 प्लस cos थीटा है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर रहा है थीटा के रिस्पेक्ट में बोथ साइड, इसके लिए ऑपरेटर लगाएंगे d by d थीटा. So d by d theta of r is equal to a d by d theta of 1 plus d by d theta of cos theta. 1 is constant तो इसका डिफरेंशिएशन थीटा के रिस्पेक्ट में 0 हो गया. cos थीटा का डिफरेंशिएशन थीटा के रिस्पेक्ट में माइनस sin थीटा होगा. So dr by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta हो गया. Now we know that the relation tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr. So we put here value of d theta by dr which is reciprocal of dr by d theta. So this is minus 1 upon a sin theta. आप देख सकते हैं d theta by dr जो है dr by d theta का रेसिप्रोकल है, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो minus 1 upon a sin theta मिलेगा और r की वैल्यू गिवन कर से a1 plus cos theta है, हम न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 1 plus cos theta को 2 cos square theta by 2 ले सकते हैं और sin theta को 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 ले सकते हैं. अब ये cos theta by 2 से स्क्वायर कैंसिल होगा तो cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2, this is cot theta by 2. So tan phi is equal to minus cot theta by 2 we write here. Now we know that tan phi is equal to this minus cot theta by 2 can be written as tan 90 plus theta by 2 because tan 90 plus theta this is equal to minus cot theta. So phi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2 here. Now we know that P is equal to r sin phi. We know that we learned this relation in the chapter tangent normal. So we put here value of phi. So P is equal to r sin pi by 2 plus theta by 2 and sin 90 plus theta by 2 this is equal to cos theta by 2. So we write here P is equal to r times cos theta by 2. And from this, suppose that this is equation second, so from first equation from 1 r is equal to a1 plus cos theta and we know that 1 plus cos theta this is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So we put here 2a cos square theta by 2 this is. So from here we can write cos square theta by 2 is equal to r by 2a. So cos theta by 2 is equal to under root r upon root 2a. So put value of cos theta by 2 in equation second put value of cos theta by 2 in second. So we get here P is equal to R multiplied by root R divided by root 2. So this can be written as P is equal to, here we can write P is equal to R to the power 3 by 2 divided by root 2. Because here the power of R is 1, here the power of R is 1 by 2, so 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. Now we differentiate this equation. This is suppose third equation. So we can see here the given equation is polar equation because this is in the terms of r and theta, and this equation in terms of r and p, so this is the pedal equation. Here we convert polar equation into pedal equation. So now we differentiate with respect to r. So we get here dp upon dr is equal to 3 by 2 r to the power 1 by 2 divided by root 2 है. So this is 3 root r upon 2 multiplied by root 2 है. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ p इक्वल टू आर पावर 3 by 2 अपॉन रूट 2 है. इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट कर रहे हैं r के एस्पेक्ट में. सो इसके लिए ऑपरेटर लगाया है d by dr बोथ साइड. तो dp by dr इक्वल टू 3 by 2 r की पावर 3 by 2 का डिफरेंशिएशन होगा 3 by 2 r की पावर 3 by 2 माइनस 1. तो 3 by 2 में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो r की पावर 1 by 2 हो जाएगा, जिसको हम रूट r लिख सकते हैं. और ये रूट 2 एक कांस्टेंट है तो ये डिफरेंशियल ऑपरेटर के बाहर रहेगा. नाउ वी नो दैट फाइंड द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ dp upon dr. So this is dr upon dp is equal to 2 multiplied by root 2a divided by 3 root r. Now we know that rho is equal to r dr upon dp. So we put here value of dr by dp and get the radius of curvature of the given cardioid. So rho is equal to r multiplied by 2 by 3 root 2a divided by root r. Now this r can be written as root r multiplied by root r and multiplied by 2 by 3 root 2a upon root r. We can see here this root r cancel by this root r. So this is rho is equal to here 2 by 3 multiplied by root 2ar. So this is the radius of curvature of the given cardioid. R is equal to a1 plus cos theta. Now we find here chord of curvature through the pole. So we write formula chord of curvature through the pole is equal to 2 rho sin phi. So we put here value of radius of curvature and phi. So this is 2 multiplied by 2 by 3 root 2ar and sin phi is here. Phi is here pi by 2 plus theta by 2. And we know that sin 90 plus theta, this is equal to cos theta. So we write here cos theta by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, this is 4 upon 3 root 2ar and cos theta by 2. Now we put here value of cos theta by 2, that is equal to root r upon root 2a. So we put here, so we get 4 by 3 multiplied by 2ar multiplied by root r upon root 2a. So from the numerator and denominator we can see root 2a cancel from the numerator and denominator, and this root r multiplied by root r we get r. So this is 4r upon 3. आप देख सकते हैं कॉर्ड ऑफ कर्वेचर थ्रू द पोल का फार्मूला है 2 रो साइन फाई. इसमें रो और फाई की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. रो की वैल्यू 2 by 3 अंडर रूट 2ar है और फाई की वैल्यू पाई by 2 प्लस थीटा by 2 है. फिर साइन 90 प्लस थीटा, दिस इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज कॉस थीटा by 2. And here we can see cos theta by 2 is equal to root r upon root 2a. So we put here root r upon root 2a. We can see from the numerator and denominator, आप देख सकते हैं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से रूट 2a कैंसिल हो जाएगा. रूट r का रूट 8 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, r होगा तो 4 by 3. So this is the chord of curvature through the pole of the given chordoid r is equal to a1 plus cos theta. Thank you.